Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download Epic Games on PC or laptop. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Epic Games, then click on the official website, which is store.epicgames.com. Once you're on the site, look at the top right corner and click the download button. The launcher file will start downloading. Just save it to your computer. When it's finished, open the file and run the installer. Click install, then click yes if prompted. Now wait for the launcher to install and update. This may take a few minutes. Once it's done, open the Epic Games launcher and you'll be asked to join into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can easily create it here. After logging in, you'll see the Epic Games Store. To download a game, just use the search bar, then find the game you want and click on it. Then click Install and Add to Library. You can also go to the Library tab to see all your games and start downloading them anytime. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.